Good morning. I'm Scott. It is 5:24 in the morning, Eastern Standard Time in Connecticut, and I figured I'd come outside with my coffee and enjoy a little bit of some weed and see if any of the birds and squirrels come out. So let me just spin it around for you, and I'll show you the sky and shit, and maybe an animal, a rabbit, or somebody will pop off. I have some videos already, so if you want to subscribe or follow, I'm going to put some up. They're cute. Last year I saw, ooh, what is that? I'm going to zoom in. Usually the trees, there's usually families up there. Big hickory trees. No, I'm not seeing anything, guys, but you know what? Yeah, I left all of that out in the yard. Even behind the fence is mine. What a pain in the ass. This place was so overgrown when I moved in. It's crazy. I had to put a fence up because it was never ending and it wasn't structured. Not that you care. But this I love. What is that, a Japanese maple? I don't know for sure. It's Japanese, though, I was told. Look at that butterfly bush. Planted that in 2023 when my mom passed away, because that's where her garden starts, over that area, which I gotta weed because obviously I have to. Then I gotta open the pool for the grandkids and a couple of my friends that I love dearly. So, anyway. Sorry there's no animals, but this is my introduction, and I'm going to be posting some animal videos when I get up early, which is not normal for me. So I hope you were laying in bed or just trying to relax. I was not trying to be loud, but I hope you have a great day. And when you look in the mirror, remember how beautiful you are, or sexy, or whatever you want to consider yourself. You might even have a reason to go back to bed. Anyway, nobody knows you like you. Have a great day. I guess this is kicking in. Bye.